Welcome to VSHOW. VSHOW is the most professional stage lighting manufacturer and has been specializing in the production of stage lighting for over 14 years. We are committed to transcending traditions, breaking through conventions, and realizing in our customer dreams and expectations. We provide top-notch stage lighting equipment solutions, including stage lighting, LED performance arts lighting, professional TV and theater lighting, architecture lighting, etc., to provide professional lighting support for stage performance and shows. You may ask why VSHOW, why we must choose VSHOW. It is a good question. First, we are a capable manufacturer of stage lighting. For most popular styles, we maintain inventory in store, significantly reducing your waiting time. Additionally, we have set up overseas warehouse in Europe and the United States, providing you with more convenient service. Second, we offer OEM and ODM service to fulfill your needs. Third, we have strong R&D capabilities ensure you can always find higher quality and more effective products in VSHOW. Fourth, we have a professional pre-sales and after-sales team to support your entire order process. So, VSHOW is your best choice. Walking around on the main road in the factory areas, you can see our warehouse. The warehouse is simple and elegant appearance. There is a spacious unloading platform in front of the warehouse to facilitate the loading and unloading of goods. The design of the warehouse not only considers the maximum utilization of storage space, but also pay attention to ventilation and moisture proofing to ensure the quality of goods. The entire building is divided into office areas and production areas. Each floor is clearly marked to facilitate the activity of visitors and employees. We believe that a good working environment can not only improve employee working efficiencies, but also stimulate their creativity and sense of belonging. Next, the camera hands over to Lily.
Hello everyone. First of all, as soon as you enter the lobby, you can see our front desk.
Next to the front desk is our company's owner wall, which records our company's achievements and growth along the way. Let's take a look at this area. This is our reception area, mainly for receiving visiting customers. There is also a billiards table here, where we can relax during breaks.
This is our showroom. This is the lighting console. It took 2 months from design to construction, and a total of 330 lamps were built, mainly moving headlights and strobe lights. Here is our tea room, where we can have tea, coffee, and rest here. This is our conference room. Regular meetings are held here. Factory Director's Office. Manager's Office. Sales Department. HR Department. Finance Department. This is our important research and development department, responsible for new products development, technological innovation, product optimization, and quality control. Finally, let's visit our CEO's office. Our CEO's office is spacious and comfortable, equipped with a sofa and tea table for receiving important customers and partners.
Welcome to the workshop on the second floor. It is major producing moving hands. There are many assembly lines, including parts assembly lines, production lines, and product testing lines. Let's have a look. The first step in the production process is to prepare raw materials and components. So the first part of the assembly line is the parts assembly lines, such as the outer casings, display board and main boards, and etc. After the parts are ready, products producing and assembly begins. Let's move to the quality test line. After the product is completed, there is a quality inspection. Each line needs to be passed the agent test. After passing the agent test, the product will be finally finished.
Hello, welcome to our production workshop on the third floor. We have 9 production lines. Many produce battery lights, strobo lights, and LED studio lights. The quality control is an important part of the stage lighting workshop work. You can see every process is inspected by our works. And the finished product will be tested for 48 hours before shipment. Ensure the stability and the reliability of the product. The work of production workshop requires close collaboration between positions. Designers provide product design solutions, and the engineers are responsible for present planning, and the production staff responsible for actual operation and assembly. We work together to ensure that products are delivered on time and meet customer requirements.
VSHOW is your best choice. Welcome to visit our factory. Finally, let's enjoy the lighting show together.